We had a rocket that fell out of orbit. We couldn't stop it, we couldn't control it. We ran a good course, it was a good flight, but I felt a heart force holding me too tight. We are one.